Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jackie, if you have not been here before, and we were working on some smell good car ornaments is actually what we were going to do. It's the first time I had ever done them, and it was an epic fail. So we have decided to do something different. Um, Today, I'm going to use a plaster of Paris type of material. Well, actually, that's what it is. It's plaster of Paris, and you can buy it basically anywhere, any craft store, Walmart, wherever. Um, and we are going to use the same mold as we did when we used the flower material. The thing that I found out with that, I guess, is it works better with paper. So and flower material. So, but today we're going to use the same mold, which is these dog bone molds, and we are going to use a some plaster of Paris, and we are going to make these into little art kits, and those will be available down below, linked in. So, okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Here we go. Okay, so I have this mold. I picked it up in a thrift store a few years ago, and I have a plate of cornstarch. So to keep this plaster of Paris from sticking to this, which I'm not sure if it will or not, but we're just not going to take that chance. I'm just going to put this in here. Probably could have got a brush, made this a little bit easier, but you know, like to make things hard, right? Okay, so with plaster of Paris, you want to work with this pretty quickly. So once you mix the water in here, you are going to want to mix it together, and then you want to pour it because it's gonna set up pretty quickly. Ooh, this stuff, I can tell you that is not super forgiving. I'm gonna have to mix up some more to finish these out. Just a plastic cup here. We've only got 3. So when they say fast setting, it is definitely the truth. This stuff sets very quickly once you add the water to it. Whew, that is a little too thin. Let's thicken this up a little bit, add a little more plaster. Goodness, that it's like almost the consistency of concrete. Any of you have ever seen concrete poured or worked with concrete? Okay, this is going to have to work at this point. Some air bubbles there. I don't really think we should have air bubbles. Okay, those look pretty good. Pretty full. Pretty even all the way around. Ooh. Okay, like I said in the other video, oh, first time for everything, right? Okay, well, we're going to let these dry and we're going to come back. Have a fantastic day. And remember, create a beautiful life.